In this video, we will compare Databutton versus Cursor versus Bolt. Which is the best AI coder? Databutton, Cursor and Bolt all offer unique strengths for developers and creators, each catering to different needs and skill sets. Databutton is better suited for beginners and non-technical users looking for rapid prototype apps with minimal setups. It features a clean, intuitive interface, quick Firebase integration and pre-built templates that speed up development. However, it falls short in customization, lacking direct database integration, and can be error-prone due to its development. It's great for fast experimentation, but may be very frustrating for users working on more complex and scalable projects. Cursor, by contrast, is tailored for more experienced developers who want AI deeply embedded into their coding workflow. It integrates seamlessly with VS Code and offers features like smart code generation, rewriting of code database search, significant improvement in development speed, and overall productivity. Its biggest drawbacks are its steep learning curve and reliance on internet connection for all AI functionality. Additionally, it can become resource intensive when working with large code bases over relevance of AI suggestions. Bolt provides a mid-ground for users seeking a quick and beginner-friendly way to develop web apps. With Nectify, Power development is very fast and generously free tier. It's accessible and appealing for small projects who are just starting out. However, like Databutton, it has limited customization options and primarily supports web development, which can be a huge constraint for users looking to branch out into mobile or desktop platforms. Bolt performs well in simple use cases but may struggle with more complex tasks on larger operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.